A drop of honey fell on the ground. A little ant came and tasted a little bit of honey. She enjoyed it very much. She had to go for some work. When she started to go, the taste of honey filled her mouth with water. What a wonderful and delicious honey! How sweet it is, and I have never eaten such honey. She returned and tasted some more honey. She wanted to go again, but she realized that it was not enough to eat a little honey. She needed to eat more. She stopped, and this time she broke down on the honey so that she could get maximum taste in the shortest time. The ant dived into the honey and began to enjoy. But unfortunately she could not get out of the honey. Due to the grease of honey, her feet stuck to the ground, and she could not move her feet. She remained in the honey until she died in it. Her pleasure turned honey into her grave. A wise man says, "The world is nothing but a huge drop of honey." So, whoever is content with just a little bit of this drop will be saved, and whoever dives into its sweetness will be doomed. May Allah Almighty help us all to understand. If you like this story, then please subscribe to our channel so that you can get more motivational stories like this. Thanks for watching. Stay happy.